Hello there, I'm proud owner. You know when you circumcise yourself? You know that? You take some antiseptic and you put it in your mouth, and you get a knife and you put it in your mouth, and you enter a deep, deep psychosis, and you put it in your mouth, and then you lick the knife, you lick it, so the knife would be sterile. And then you pull your foreskin, pull, ever so gently. And then you know that? And you take the foreskin to the jeweler, and he makes a nice pendant, and I'm talking nice, and you feel proud. Like real proud. Prouder than proud can be. 'Cause heck, you have a pendant of your foreskin hanging around your neck. Nobody else does.
Gotta bang.